POWKIDDY V10 versus Miyoo Mini Plus. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about design and build. V10 provided large and bulkier design, moderate build quality, and Miyoo provided compact, pocket-friendly, higher quality build. So Miyoo is better. Now let's look at the screen size. POWKIDDY provided 5.0-inch IPS display, and Miyoo provided 3.5-inch high-speed display. So POWKIDDY is better. Now let's look at the screen resolution. POWKIDDY provided 800 into 480 pixel screen resolution, and Miyoo provided 640 into 480 pixel resolution. So Miyoo is better. Now let's look at the portability. POWKIDDY provided less portable due to size, and Miyoo provided extremely portable. So Miyoo is better. Now let's look at the battery life. POWKIDDY provided battery life up to 6 to 8 hours, 4000 mAh, and Miyoo provided 5 to 7 hours battery life, 3000 mAh. So POWKIDDY is better. Now let's look at the user interface. In POWKIDDY, basic interface not very polished, and in Miyoo, more user friendly and customizable. So Miyoo is better. Now let's look at the price. The estimate price of POWKIDDY is 60 to $70, and the estimate price of Miyoo is 65 to $75. So both are equal. Now let's look at the expandability. In POWKIDDY, micro SD card support up to 128 GB, and in Miyoo, micro SD card support up to 256 GB. So Miyoo is better. Now let's look at the buttons and controls. In POWKIDDY, responsive but less ergonomic, and in Miyoo, more ergonomic and high quality buttons. So Miyoo is better. Now let's look at the audio quality. In POWKIDDY, decent but not exceptional. In Miyoo, superior audio clarity. So Miyoo is better. And in the last, let's look at the build material. In POWKIDDY, plastic moderate durability is available, and in Miyoo, higher quality plastic, more durability is available. So Miyoo is better. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.